Have you ever started packing for a cruise and suddenly thought, wait, are there rules about what I can wear? Maybe you've heard stories about people being turned away from dinner for wearing the wrong outfit. Or maybe you're wondering if those old dress code rules still apply today. In this video, we're going to clear it all up. I'll walk you through the real dress code on modern cruise ships, both the official policies and the unspoken etiquette.
Welcome to the main dining room, where elegance meets exquisite cuisine.
By the end, you'll know exactly what to pack and what to leave at home. We'll also talk about one common beginner mistake that can actually ruin your vacation before it even gets started. Now, I'm not here to judge anyone's style. Think of this as a practical guide to help you cruise with confidence. Let's get started. Number 1. Brand new or impractical shoes. We're starting with the mistake that can physically ruin your vacation. Cruise ships are enormous. You'll walk far more than you expect, from your cabin to dinner to shows to activities. If you pack brand new shoes that you've never worn before, you're asking for blisters. Always break them in at home first. Also, bring at least one pair of closed-toe shoes.
Don't forget to pack your closed-toe shoes for all the fun activities on board.
Many onboard activities require them for safety. Without them, you may not be allowed to participate. Number 2. Forgetting a jacket or sweater. Even if you're sailing somewhere warm, indoor spaces can feel very cold. Cruise ships use strong air conditioning, especially in dining rooms and theaters.
It's a bit chilly in here, isn't it? Or is it just me?
Always pack a light jacket, cardigan, or hoodie. Layers make a huge difference in comfort. Number 3. Offensive or controversial clothing. Every cruise line has clear policies against clothing with profanity, obscene graphics, or offensive language. If something is inappropriate, crew members can ask you to change.
Excuse me, sir, that shirt isn't appropriate for this area.
Oh, my apologies. I'll change it right away.
It's also wise to avoid political or controversial slogans. Cruises are meant to be relaxing escapes, not debate zones. Number 4. Shorts and jeans at dinner. This topic confuses many first-time cruisers. Some cruise lines, including MSC cruises, celebrity cruises, and princess cruises, may restrict shorts during evening dining. Carnival Cruise Line also lists shorts as inappropriate for dinner.
Remember, the main dining room has a smart, casual dress code, so it's important to check what's appropriate before heading in.
Meanwhile, Royal Caribbean generally recommends smart casual attire, though enforcement can vary. Jeans are widely accepted now, as long as they're clean and not ripped. Simple rule: shorts for daytime, long pants or neat jeans for dinner. Number 5. Ripped or distressed clothing. Ripped jeans may be trendy, but for evening dining, they're often considered too casual. If your clothing has holes or heavy distressing, save it for daytime wear. Dinner venues aim for a slightly elevated atmosphere. Number 6. Formal night. What it really means. Formal night today is much more relaxed than many people think. On most cruise lines, men can wear a suit, sport coat, or collared shirt with dress pants. Women often choose cocktail dresses, jumpsuits, or elegant separates. You usually do not need a tuxedo or ball gown. One exception is Cunard Line, which maintains a more traditional gala standard. For most cruises, looking polished is enough. Number 7. Swimwear and cover-ups. Swimwear is perfectly fine at the pool, but once you leave the pool deck, you must wear a proper cover-up. That means real clothing, not just a thin see-through layer. Shoes are also required in indoor dining areas. Family-focused lines like Disney Cruise Line and Royal Caribbean expect more modest attire. Adults-only lines like Virgin Voyages may feel more relaxed, but basic hygiene and courtesy rules still apply. Number 8. Pajamas, slippers, and bathrobes. Bathrobes are great inside your cabin. Wearing them to the spa or pool is generally acceptable, but wearing them into restaurants or buffets is not appropriate. Slippers should stay in your cabin. Pajamas are best kept private, unless it's a themed event. Public spaces deserve public-ready clothing. Number 9. Expensive jewelry in port. When exploring ports, avoid wearing flashy jewelry. Expensive watches, heavy gold chains, or noticeable diamonds can attract unwanted attention. Keep valuables locked in your cabin safe and wear simple accessories ashore. Number 10. Strong cologne or perfume. Cruise ships have enclosed spaces and crowded elevators. Strong fragrances can trigger headaches or allergies for some guests. A light application is always better. Less is more. Number 11. Hats in dining rooms. Many cruise lines request that guests remove baseball caps during dinner in main dining rooms. It's a traditional sign of respect. While not always strictly enforced, it's good etiquette to follow.
Absolutely stunning tonight.
Number 12. Camouflage in port. Camouflage clothing is fine on board. However, in some Caribbean destinations, including Jamaica, Barbados, and Antigua and Barbuda, civilians are not allowed to wear camouflage ashore. This is local law, not a cruise rule. Always change before leaving the ship. Number 13. The upside-down pineapple symbol. A regular pineapple is just a tropical design, but an upside-down pineapple has become associated with certain adult lifestyle meanings. If that's not the message you want to send, avoid that symbol on clothing or cabin decorations. And there you have it, 13 updated tips to help you pack smart and cruise confidently.
And finally, the unparalleled serenity of a golden hour voyage, where every moment is a masterpiece.
And that's it, 13 simple ways to avoid awkward moments and cruise with total confidence. The truth is, modern cruise dress codes aren't about being strict. They're about respect for the ship, for the destinations you visit, and for the people sharing the vacation with you. Pack smart, think practical, and remember that comfort and confidence always look better than overthinking every outfit. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever seen someone get turned away from dinner? Or did you make a small packing mistake on your first cruise that you'll never forget? Drop your experience in the comments below. Your story might help another traveler avoid the same mistake. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more cruise tips, packing guides, and insider advice to make your next sailing smooth and stress-free. Until next time, pack smart, dress right, and enjoy every moment at sea.